At the only electronic waste recycling plant in East Africa, these employees break apart obsolete computers. They dismantle, compress, and ship the waste, some of which is dangerous, to Europe. Used electronics are one of the fastest growing sources of waste in Kenya. There's what is generated locally, and then what comes from the West in the form of second-hand electronic goods. And that's where the problem lies. The country seems to generate more e-waste than it can safely dispose of.
A lot of e-waste is generated, and because there was no legal framework, it ends up to rivers. So when it goes to the rivers, it pollutes the environment. And these vegetables you get, they cause like these cancers. E-waste is dangerous if it is not disposed well.
Kenya produces about 17,000 tons of e-waste every year, but only a fraction of that gets to this recycling plant. The rest ends up in dump sites scattered across the country. So here in one of the garbage sites in Nairobi, collectors, now trained by the recycling company on how to handle electronic waste, try to find what they can. Lucy Mudhoni tells me that she's quite lucky to find this computer motherboard. It sells at about $5. She has also managed to find smaller electronic parts. This is a good day for her. In another neighborhood, Alex Mativo and his friends have also found an unlikely way of using the waste. By making ornaments with different computer parts, the group creates and sells mostly earrings and key holders.
I'm able to create that awareness that we have used in our society, and this is how we're going to deal with it. And also, it's able to create a culture change where residents are embracing a different approach to electronic waste.
There's certainly no shortage of e-waste in the world. By 2017, it's estimated that 65 million tons will be produced. Much of it will end up in Africa. In Kenya, the idea is to safely manage the waste and make money while doing so. Catherine Soy, Al Jazeera, Machakos and Eastern Kenya.